Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street, large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty, well-maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained. Great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. We're gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how we get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in your unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. Everything you go on. Nice machines. Touch the game. Standard bench. Weights. Lots of cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it. Just got off the elevator on the 6th floor. We're here to see unit 622, which is a studio unit. right here off the elevator. Behind me is the elevator itself. That's the staircase down to the first floor if you'd like to take it. There's an emergency exit that way as well. Now let's take you through. Okay. So right now, there's furniture here. So it fits, you know, a love seat, another large sofa, coffee table. We've seen these units laid out in a number of different ways. You know, obviously if you did maybe like a smaller couch there, you could put a desk or a dining table there. There's just so many different ways you can format the space, but this is just one of them. To the left, here's a large walk-in closet with light, central heat and air. Up here is a little loft space where it can fit a full-size bed. It's your dishwasher, gas, range and oven, microwave, and refrigerator. It's a nice amount of storage, cabinet space. It's nice here that we're on the 6th floor, but it's definitely very quiet in this section of the building because it does not face the street. It's a really quiet, you know, place to live, although you're in the center of the city. Medicine cabinet, vanity with storage underneath, toilet, shower tub combo. So you have a shower and tub, shower head and tub. That's really the space. There's not much to it. It's a studio apartment. I'm going to show you in the loft space. Again, it's meant for a bed. And that's the space. Big windows. Let us know if you have any questions. And if you're interested, we can show it to you ASAP. Have a great day.